But the question it then raises is it good HTTPS or bad HTTPS?
What? There's a difference?
So there is a difference. So there are a lot of semantics. Now there are semantics in the way you build the app, and there are also semantics in the way you configure HTTPS on the server, or SSL. And we're always a little bit cautious now about saying SSL because we had the Poodle bug in 2014 which showed that SSL was broken and you needed to use TLS. But for the sake of semantics, we're really talking about HTTPS encrypted transport layers. So yes, there is a difference. So let's take a look at this.
Okay.
I've loaded up a Qualys SSL Labs report. So this is a great resource. So you can go to sslabs.com/SSL-test and plug in any URL and it will come back and it will give your SSL a rating.
Right.
Now you've got a B rating, which is, it's not an A.
I suppose it doesn't say 2, but
It's not an F.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of Fs.
Oh, right.
So this is where it gets a little bit interesting. So what we can see down the bottom of the screen here is it says this server accepts the RC4 cipher which is weak and it has capped your grade to B. So RC4 is now considered a weak cipher. So there are different cipher suites within SSL. And basically Qualys is saying, look, really you should have RC4 disabled on the server. Now the problem that you've got, it's I don't want to say problem because it's actually a really good thing. You're running on Azure.
Yeah, I was just saying we don't control the server.
No, don't let me call Azure a problem because I think Azure and running websites on Azure is actually awesome. Now the challenge is that is a website platform as a service sort of model. And the way it's implemented is that the SSL terminates in front of the service. So you make an HTTPS request, Microsoft has devices which manage the certificate. In fact, you load the certificate up through the management portal and it does all the encryption and decryption and all the communication with the browser, and then from that device to the website everything is in the clear. So the website itself really can't control the SSL configuration.
Yeah, right.
So you're capped at B, and we can see there's 4 different grades here around certificate, protocol support, key exchange, cipher strength. And you've gone 195, 90, 90. Now you can make this a little bit stronger. So here's one I prepared earlier. This is my website, Have I Been Pwned? So this is the one.
It's also a B.
Yeah, well, it is a B, but there is a difference, and you'll see this in a moment.